Good day to all over the world. In this critical situation, may all will be healthy. That is our wish. This COVID-19 coronavirus is spreading all over the world, not care in races, religions. Watch this special video until end. We tell you certain steps in order to avoid corona threat. Look at he is washing his hands, and what will happen is after washing he will touch again the tap and go. Just think what will happen. Again that virus particle will infect your body, will come to your body. Also note, most people are wearing face masks and get on to public transportation and touching again the face masks. Actually this coronavirus is not spreading through air, but face mask wearing is good for disconnecting your touching mouth or your nose. And also note that this virus can be transmitted to other body by small touching. Sometimes it may be ignorable touching. If it is so, what will happen by flies and mosquitoes? Think about these things. Then arguably they will transport this virus from one to other. What will happen if somebody is going near another someone? What will happen if somebody is working with others and huge wind comes and take that virus to other? That also may be possible. Or what will happen touching with sweatings? And the other thing is, we see many people are wearing hand gloves and they will think that they are protected. But remember, with your hand gloves, when you are touching something, that coronavirus will come to your hand gloves. With that hand gloves, when you are touching somebody again and when you are touching your body, by using this hand gloves, coronavirus will be spreading. Also note, without wearing proper face masks, somebody is wearing handkerchiefs and other clothes. People are thinking that coronavirus is spreading through air. But remember, soon after those are used among others, you are using that clothes or handkerchiefs to clean your faces. Those handkerchiefs and other clothes will be used for your other activities. Also, you don't remember what side you wear for inside and outside. I meant after using these handkerchiefs and clothes, you don't remember what side you wear touching inside the face and outside the face. Also be careful if you are working especially in hospital. You are using your mobile phone with your gloves. After finishing your work, you are removing your gloves and touching your phone as usual and talk. This also may be harmful thing. If the virus is positive on the phone, you will be infected by the virus. Finally, one more thing. Coldness seems harmful to this virus. If you are in a cool country or if you are in an AC environment, cool environment, sometimes it may be home or hospital or ICU, it may be harmful to this virus. That means your situation will be critical. However, you have to follow finally doctor's advice. Thanks for watching this small video.